Hi guys, Halloween is almost here and it's time to start creating the best-selling products of the season, which is t-shirts. In today's video, I'll show you 5 of the most popular Halloween t-shirt niches on Etsy. You'll also learn how you can quickly create these designs using Leonardo AI. The prompts I will be sharing with you today are very simple but niche-based, meaning that you can tweak them as you like to create many different t-shirt styles. So, to get started, you gotta log into the website. If you don't already have an account, you can click the link in the description below to create a free Leonardo AI account. Once you're signed in, you should head over to the image generation panel. Click on Preset and choose Leonardo Phoenix. I'm going to turn off the Prompt Enhance option. I'll go to the Preset Style option and select Illustration. You can also select Graphic Design Vector if you want more simpler designs. But for this video, I'll be using the illustration option to get more detailed designs. The last setting is not necessary, but I like to change the image dimension to 4 by 5 so it can properly fit the t-shirt print area. You should leave every other setting as is. Once you're done, it's time to create your t-shirt designs. Guys, the prompts I want to use in this video are from my Leonardo AI Halloween T-shirts prompts ebook. It has over 30 popular sub-niches for Halloween with prompts that will help you create designs super fast. Please check the link in the description below to get your own copy. Now, let's get back to prompting. I'll start with the animal cottagecore niche. It's an upcoming niche that is very popular among pet owners who love to show off. So, I'm gonna select this prompt here and copy it. Then paste it into Leonardo AI. I will just tweak the text a bit. Then I'll click the Generate button. These are the results. As you can see, not all of them are perfect, but it's just amazing to see the high-quality designs AI can now create with little effort. So, I like this one over here. I'll just click the Download button to save the image. The next popular Etsy Halloween t-shirt design I'll be making is going to be retro-inspired. This is a timeless niche and people love to buy these t-shirts because they never go out of style. To make the design, I'm just going to copy this prompt and change the text to spooky spooky. Then generate. I am a huge fan of the retro Halloween niche. I just love the colors and how calm these designs are. I'll just go ahead and download the one I like. Next is a unique Halloween niche that just started gaining popularity recently, and it's dark academia. You can think of teachers, library, students, and books, and more Harry Potter vibes kind of designs. So to make it, I'll just paste the prompt and change the text to "Death is certain." Then I'll click on the Generate button. As you can see, my prompts are very flexible. You can tweak it and you'll still get very good results. I really like this one, and I'll just click the Download button to save it. The fourth Halloween t-shirt niche I'll be showing you today is drippy text. This type of text is used to create designs that are not too spooky, but still has that Halloween feel. The prompt for this is very simple. It says, spooky red drippy text featuring spooky nurse. Nurse hat on top. Ghost elements. Isolated on a black background. That's the prompt. It's simple, but creates really unique horror-style drippy text designs. I love how this design looks, so I'll download it. The next niche is of cute ghosts doing modern things like drinking coffee. The cute coffee ghost designs are really popular right now, especially for designs that target moms. So, this is the prompt right here for a ghost wearing a beanie hat and holding a cup of boba tea and a carved pumpkin. I'll paste it and generate the images. This design is of one of my favorite Halloween t-shirt niches. It doesn't have text, but it speaks volumes. The ghost is always doing something funny or adorable. So, it's up to you to tweak this niche as you like. The next niche we'll be looking at is the Western Halloween designs. Think of cowboy hats, boots, and all the Texas vibe. So, I'm gonna paste the prompt and click Generate. This niche is very relatable, and it works really well for grungy type of designs. You can also use it for cute cows, funny skeletons, and even cute ghosts. There's just so much you can do in this niche. Remember to check out my Halloween t-shirt prompt collection in the link in the description below. Another thing you should remember about making t-shirt designs with any AI tool is that you're not going to get the perfect results all the time. So like a slot machine, you'll need to generate a couple of times and see what the AI gives you. Well, that's how you can easily make the top trending Halloween t-shirt designs using Leonardo AI. Once you upscale your images and remove the backgrounds, you'll be ready to make that sweet Halloween cash.